All right, so I've dissolved my powder. Awesome, okay? What I want to do is use my magnetic retriever to get the bar out, okay? At this point, I'll usually just hold this right now and I'll wash this off. And I want the bar to be sitting right over here in the drying rack, okay? Now this is a trick, okay? Because we're using, eventually our liquid is gonna have to be in these bottles. We're gonna have to actually place the liquid into the bottle, okay? Because why is that important? Because the bottles right over there is being contaminated with dust bunnies or bacteria or anything like that in the air, okay? So we wanna actually sterilize these bottles by placing our liquid into the bottles and then placing the bottles itself into the autoclave. Now, this is the other side to this trick, is because when you're actually doing this whole process and you're actually making agar plates, the process is all the same. The powder, the bar, the magnetic plate, the flask, the liquid, it's all the same. The only difference is the agar liquid actually stays in the flask, okay? Now, I'm gonna actually do an experiment that shows you this process, but like I said, keep in mind what I just told you because everything is exactly the same thing. The only difference is that when you're making LB broth, you want to place the liquid in the bottle and the bottle itself in the autoclave. When you're making agar plates, you want to keep the agar in the flask and the flask into the autoclave, okay? Now, going back to making LB broth, I'm going to place my 100 liter of liquid into the cylinder here. Okay, like so. And then I'm going to use my funnel, place it in the bottle, and just pour this liquid down in the bottle. Bam, done. That's how you pretty much, transfer your liquid into your bottle. After I'm done with that, I want to make sure my top is on, okay? Now, I'm going to tie it all the way on, and then I'm going to unloosen it just a little bit. So it's just enough. Why do we need that space? Well, because we don't want the condensation to squeeze the bottle. There's times where people has actually closed the top all the way and the bottle has been autoclaved and it actually squeezed out just like so. We don't want that to occur, okay? So make sure that there's space, the top is unloosened. Then you want to place it in an autoclave, close the autoclave, and you want to make sure that you turn it to about 40 to 35 minutes and let it sterilize and let it, get cleaned out. Once that's done, you're going to go to, placing your labels on there. You'll pretty much be done.